Standard 12th, Chapter 5, Introduction to MCommerce. Annual exam marks 6. Very easy chapter, pure theoretical chapter. Let's start with MCommerce. What is MCommerce? So MCommerce refers to buying and selling of any goods or services through the use of internet-enabled wireless devices. That is, using mobile or PDA or your smartphone or your palm top or your tablet. So when we use e-commerce services using such portable devices, it becomes MCommerce. The main benefit of MCommerce is it provides the user with advantage of flexibility and ubiquity. Ubiquity means can be used anywhere. You know that when you do e-commerce, that is through your through your desktop, you are bounded to that desktop location. But when you do it through your mobile, you are not bounded to any location. You can carry your mobile anywhere and you can use that mobile and MCommerce services anywhere. MCommerce also allows real-time transaction while on the move. So like if you are sitting behind your friend and he's driving the scooter or two-wheeler, you know that even in that situation also you can use MCommerce. So practically MCommerce is an activity which can be used anytime and anywhere. Most of the MCommerce activities which are done are for bank and other financial institutions. They are increasingly using MCommerce to retain their business. Bank allows their customers to access account balance, stock update, make transactions via mobile phone, and all these things are known as mobile banking or M-banking. You know that now most of the banks mobile applications are available. Not most of them. I think almost every bank has their own mobile application, and through that application you can do all the transactions of banking related transaction. The stock market service is also offering mobile services, and that is called mobile brokerage. You use moneycontrol.com or many other even BSE and many other websites are there through which you can do share market transaction, and that is called mobile brokerage. What are the benefits of MCommerce? Specifically, MCommerce is the integration of wireless networks accessed through handheld devices and internet. So it is same as e-commerce. The only difference is here the device is handheld device. So you can easily keep it in your pocket, you can easily keep it in your hands and can move with it anywhere while using it. So mobile commerce is something which is available everywhere and easily available rather. The ease of availability and faster speed has made MCommerce more popular nowadays. You know that now most of us are using mobile rather than desktop for even website searching. If we want to Google something, we prefer mobile because it is very handy and quick. The web designer and development companies have also optimized the website in such a way that it can be viewed correctly on mobile device. So almost every website they have their mobile version so that it fits in mobile screen properly and user can easily see that website on mobile. You know that mobile, the screen is small compared to desktop. So the website which we see on desktop or laptop, the same website cannot be viewed easily on mobile devices or tablet. So for that, every website they design their other version that is called mobile version. Mobile enables user to be contacted at virtually anytime and anywhere. So that is again sometimes benefit and sometimes it is curse. There are some limitations of MCommerce which textbook has highlighted. Personally, I don't feel that these are the limitations, but let's discuss it. Handheld devices offer a limited screen size and limits the type of file and data transfer. Fine, that is true, but if we compare other way, desktop screen, the distance between our eye and desktop screen and distance between our eye and mobile screen is different. So even though mobile screen is small, sometimes it gives more colorful and bright output, so we prefer using mobile for viewing some content. Types of file which are supported on mobile are not as many as it is supported on desktop. That is true. But for our day-to-day work, which we require, the most of the popular file types are supported by mobile, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, and other regular file types are supported by mobile also. User interface is less convenient compared to desktop. That is fine. When you need to type a paragraphs or thesis, then mobile is not convenient. Then you need to use the desktop. It has limited computing power, memory and storage capacity. Now this sentence is written before 8 years. But now you know that mobile has got equally good memory, computing power and even storage capacity compared to the mobiles which were available before 5-6 years. If you have a desktop or laptop which is 4-5 years old, and if you have a latest mobile purchase just within few months, then your mobile will be having more memory than your desktop. So this is also not a limitation of MCommerce. It operates over wireless network which are less secured as compared to wired network. That is true because it operates on a wireless network, so there are chances of some data leakage. But ultimately when you are using your laptop or desktop, the communication ultimately goes through wireless network only. Over there also it is wireless communication at certain point of time. It offers a limited bandwidth. Fine, that is also not a now problem. We are getting enough bandwidth in mobile also and enough internet speed. High cost of establishing mobile and wireless broadband infrastructure. That is also done now. Now we have network availability everywhere, almost everywhere, even in the rural area of the country. So that is also not a limitation. But these were the limitations when textbook was written. Now all these limitations are slowly vanishing. Now these are some of the areas where we can use mobile commerce. We will very quickly go through it because it is same as chapter 4. The only difference is here it is mobile rather than desktop or computer laptop. Companies are using MCommerce to expand their services from marketing to advertisement. You know that. Marketing is the most popular way for companies to reach a large audience. So when marketing is done using mobile, it is very easy. You know that. Suppose you are using desktop and you want to send same message to many people. So it is very difficult. You need to send email, you need to write all the email IDs and you need to find out their email ID. And again, we are not sure when they will open that email. But if you are using mobile, you just create a broadcast group in WhatsApp and send a message very quickly and efficient. Advertising on internet has become a major source of revenue for most of the portals. So because of mobile advertising, many companies are gaining high revenues. Many retailers are offering location-based mobile advertising and in order to target consumers and their increasing their sales. Again, we have experienced this. Whenever we get any advertisement in our mobile application, any of the application, we will never get any advertisement of Florida or Malaysia. We will always get the advertisement which is related to the location where we are. So that also makes business grow faster. Mobile ticketing. Mobile device can be also used for booking the ticket. IRCT has got its own website and through that website we can easily book ticket. So IRCTC also has their mobile application and through that application we can easily book the ticket. Nothing much to say about this. You all know about what is mobile ticketing. Mobile auction. Mobile auction is OLX, eBay, all these are mobile auctions. You also know that mobile auction is very transparent, fast, and you don't need to go anywhere. Just keep your mobile in your hand and you can do all this transaction. So you can take part in any auction, you can sell any item, you can purchase any item from that auction, and that becomes very easy. Mobile entertainment. Do I need to say anything about this? Most of us, 90% of our mobile use is for entertainment. Either we play video, either we play some audio, or we see some photographs or animations or all these things. So that is for mobile entertainment. Playing games, all these are part of mobile entertainment. So you know it very well. Mobile purchase. Mobile purchase allows customer to shop online anywhere, anytime. So you use Flipkart application, Amazon application, Snapdeal application, and this application allows you to purchase. It may happen that during Flipkart billion sale, you are not in India. That doesn't matter. From any part of the world, you can take part in that auction, in that sale, and you can purchase anything very easily. So that is mobile purchase. Very easy process. You don't need to go out of your comfort zone, and you can finish it very quickly. Mobile financial services. Today, almost all the banks and financial institutions uses MCommerce. These institutions allow their customers to access account information, perform transactions like stock purchase, remit money via mobile phones and other equipment. For example, Textbook has given these examples. Union Bank has its own Android application called U-Mobile, and every other bank has got something like this. So Axis Bank and Union Bank and State Bank and all the banks are having their mobile application which you can use from anywhere. Now for small tasks related to banking, you don't need to go to bank and stand in a queue. Almost everything. In fact, if I'm not wrong, just to deposit money you need to go out of your comfort zone, and to withdraw money you need to go out of your comfort zone. Rest of the things which can be done very easily from home. So that is mobile financial services. Mobile information service. Mobile is mainly meant for information. Whatever we don't understand, we immediately take out our mobile and Google it. What is this? What are the sports news if I want to find out? What are the financial news? What are the news about the US election? If I want to know any information in detail, mobile is very handy. We can type that in Google and we can get the quick response. So mobile is for information services also. Location and search service. Mobile provides location-based services. So the location of mobile phone of user is an important piece of information which is used during mobile commerce transaction. You would have always seen that if you keep your GPS on, your location on, and then if you search for the restaurant, then it will provide you the details of the restaurants which are nearby. Where is your location? The restaurant which is near to you. So that is location based services and location based search services. Knowing the location of mobile user allows vendors to provide location based services such as local maps, local offers, local weather, people tracking and monitoring. So all these things, traffic, you want to know that what is the traffic outside on that particular road. So that also you can find out using these location based services. Mobile devices can also be used to get direction. That also we know. Suppose we are on holidays and we are going somewhere out in some other state and we want to find out particular location, we can easily find out, and then mobile Google Map, it will provide you the proper way how you can reach to that particular location. So that is location based services.